In front of us we have the Apple Watch Ultra 2, model A2986, and we'll be replacing the housing. As you can see, someone tried to brush some of the dents that they put in here, and now it has like a shine to it rather than the texture that's normally on there, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. First thing we want to do is we're going to want to heat up the housing here with some heat. So we can transfer some of that heat to the adhesive. I currently have the heat set to 180 degrees Celsius, and any parts and tools that are needed to complete the repair will be found in the description, so you can check it out there if you need any. We'll go ahead and grab our pry tool, a little bit of alcohol, and we will start prying the screen up here. And you want to slowly work your way around kind of the same way that we did it for the Ultra 1. So you don't just want to lift one side up all the way, you want to slowly work the screen out. And as soon as you feel it lifting up a little bit, just move on. Alright, so now you'd want to kind of lift it up and over, like so. So you're not just kind of prying like that, so up and over. Then just with a little bit of alcohol here, right where the ribbons go. Alright, then I thought this can give us enough space to work with here, so we don't accidentally tear the ribbons anywhere. We're going to go ahead and start with removing the battery. So we got 4 screws, just like on the Ultra 1. And again, we're going to have to pick up that tab there to get to that screw there. Just going to grab a flathead, let's pry it up, and just when we're going to be assembling, we're just going to put the shield down. So be careful not to damage that right there. And now we're going to use the Y000. Should be the 0.6mm Y screwdriver. And grab a plastic spudger. So anything without metal, as do not damage anything. That will be the battery connector right there. So if you're looking at it face on, it'll be the left connector. Alright, and our shield just came out. Alright, so there's the battery. Next we're going to go ahead and just remove that screen. So we just got the screw right there. So a little bit different design from the Ultra 1. We'll go ahead and disconnect. We'll set that aside. Yeah, they're different on the inside, so we will not be able to use. Next, we'll proceed with replacing the Taptic engine. And we just have 2 screws here. Now we have the connector right there. We'll proceed with removing the back cover next. I'm using a P6, but I believe we need something a little larger, ideally. So we're going to take our pry tool with a little bit of alcohol.